Building the perfect PC on a budget doesn't mean compromising on quality, aesthetics, or performance. In this video, we'll dive into the best PC cases under $200 in 2024, offering great airflow, durable builds, and stylish designs. These cases not only protect your components, but also enhance the overall look and functionality of your setup. Whether you're building a high-performance gaming rig or a versatile workstation, these 7 options have you covered. Number 1. Corsair 4000D Flow ATX case. The Corsair 4000D Flow ATX case is a top choice for anyone looking for a case that combines excellent cooling performance with a sleek, modern design. The 4000D's exterior is characterized by its minimalist aesthetic, with clean lines and a tempered glass side panel that offers a clear view of your components. This case is designed with high airflow in mind, featuring a steel front panel with a perforated design that allows for maximum air intake, ensuring that your components stay cool even under heavy loads. Inside, the 4000D is spacious, accommodating ATX, Micro-ATX, and Mini-ATX motherboards with ease. The case comes with 2 pre-installed 120mm fans, one at the front and one at the rear, which create a direct airflow path to your hottest components. Additionally, it supports up to 6 120mm or 4 140mm fans, and has room for radiators up to 360mm in size, making it an ideal choice for those considering liquid cooling solutions. Number 2. Cooler Master Q300L Micro-ATX Tower. Next on the list is the Cooler Master Q300L Micro-ATX Tower, a compact case that offers great value for its price. The Q300L's design is both practical and stylish, featuring a magnetic dust filter on the front and top panels with a unique pattern that adds a touch of personality to your build. The side panel is made of acrylic, providing a clear view of your components. Though it's not as durable as tempered glass, it still offers a decent window to show off your internals. Despite its compact size, the Q300L is surprisingly versatile. It supports Micro-ATX and Mini-ATX motherboards, and offers plenty of room for a standard ATX power supply, up to a 240mm radiator at the front, and up to 4 120mm fans. The case's layout is designed for flexibility, with the option to mount the I/O panel in multiple locations, allowing you to customize the case according to your workspace. In terms of build quality, the Cooler Master Q300L feels solid, with a steel chassis that provides a sturdy frame for your components. The magnetic dust filters are a great addition, making it easy to keep your system clean and dust-free. Usability is another strong point of the Q300L. Its compact size makes it ideal for smaller spaces, yet doesn't skimp on essential features like cable management and cooling support. Number 3. NZXT H5 Flow ATX Mid-Tower Case. The NZXT H5 Flow ATX Mid-Tower Case is a beautifully crafted case designed to optimize airflow while maintaining a sleek, minimalist look. The H5 Flow features a perforated front panel that allows for unrestricted airflow, ensuring that your components stay cool even during intense gaming sessions. The tempered glass side panel offers a clear view of your build, adding a touch of elegance to the overall design. Inside the case, the H5 Flow provides ample space for ATX, Micro-ATX, and Mini-ATX motherboards, along with support for up to 6 120mm fans or 4 140mm fans. It also has room for radiators up to 280mm in size, making it a great option for those looking to incorporate liquid cooling into their build. The case comes with 2 pre-installed 120mm fans, strategically placed to create an optimal airflow path. Number 4. Aqua 3 Micro-ATX Case. The Aqua 3 Micro-ATX case is a standard option for those looking for a compact case that doesn't compromise on style or performance. This case features a sleek, modern design with a tempered glass side panel that showcases your components, while the front panel is equipped with ARGB fans that add a vibrant splash of color to your build. The Aqua 3 is designed with both aesthetics and functionality in mind, making it a great choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts alike. Despite its compact size, the Aqua 3 offers plenty of space for your components, supporting Micro-ATX and Mini-ATX motherboards, along with room for up to 4 120mm fans. The case also has a front-mounted Type-C port, providing convenient access to high-speed data transfers and charging. The inclusion of ARGB fans adds both style and cooling performance, ensuring that your components stay cool while also allowing you to customize the lighting to match your setup. The build quality of the Aqua 3 is solid, with a steel frame that provides a sturdy foundation for your build. The tempered glass side panel is thick and durable, giving you a clear view of your components while also protecting them from dust and debris. Usability is another strong point of the Aqua 3, with a toolless design that makes it easy to install and upgrade components. Number 5. Lian Li O1 Evo E-ATX case. The Lian Li O1 Evo E-ATX case is a premium option that offers exceptional build quality and a unique dual-chamber design. The O1 Evo is designed with enthusiasts in mind, featuring a spacious interior that can accommodate E-ATX, ATX, Micro-ATX, and Mini-ATX motherboards. The case's dual-chamber design separates the motherboard and power supply into different compartments, improving airflow and making cable management a breeze. The exterior of the O1 Evo is nothing short of stunning, with a brushed aluminum finish and tempered glass panels on the front and side that provide a clear view of your components. The case also features customizable RGB lighting, allowing you to create a personalized light show that complements your build. Inside, the O1 Evo offers plenty of space for multiple graphics cards, radiators, and fans, making it ideal for high-performance builds. Number 6. Montech Air 903 Max E-ATX case. The Montech Air 903 Max E-ATX case is an excellent choice for those who prioritize airflow and cooling performance. The Air 903 Max features a high airflow design, with a mesh front panel that allows for maximum air intake, keeping your components cool even during heavy use. The case comes with 4 pre-installed ARGB fans, providing both efficient cooling and customizable lighting effects that add a vibrant touch to your build. Inside, the Air 903 Max offers plenty of space for E-ATX, ATX, Micro-ATX, and Mini-ATX motherboards, along with room for up to 9 120mm fans or 3 360mm radiators. The case also supports vertical GPU mounting, giving you the option to display your graphics card in style. The tempered glass side panel provides a clear view of your build, while the spacious interior allows for easy installation and cable management. The build quality of the Montech Air 903 Max is solid, with a steel chassis and thick tempered glass side panel that feel durable and well constructed. The case's high airflow design ensures that your components stay cool, even during extended gaming sessions or heavy workloads. Usability is another strong point, with a toolless design that makes it easy to install and upgrade components, along with well-placed routing holes for clean cable management. Number 7. Corsair ICU E4000 RGB mid-tower case. Rounding out our list is the Corsair ICU E4000 RGB mid-tower case, a case that combines high airflow with advanced RGB customization options. The iCUE 4000D features a perforated front panel that allows for optimal airflow, keeping your components cool and performing at their best. Inside, the 4000D offers plenty of space for ATX, Micro-ATX, and Mini-ATX motherboards, along with support for up to 6 120mm fans or 3 140mm fans. The case also has room for radiators up to 360mm in size, making it a great option for those looking to incorporate liquid cooling into their build. The tempered glass side panel provides a clear view of your components, while the spacious interior allows for easy installation and cable management. The build quality of the Corsair ICU 4000D is excellent, with a sturdy steel frame and thick tempered glass side panel that feels solid and durable. The case is also designed with usability in mind, featuring a toolless design that makes it easy to install and upgrade components. Cable management is another strong point, with plenty of space behind the motherboard tray and well-placed routing holes that help keep your build clean and organized. Choosing the right PC case under $200 doesn't have to be a daunting task. Each of these options offers a unique blend of design, airflow, and durability, ensuring that your build not only looks great, but performs exceptionally well too. Whether you prioritize airflow, aesthetics, or customization, there's a case on this list that will fit your needs perfectly. Happy building!